I'm CM Coleman, come on in, welcome to my home. Today, we're supposed to be getting in some plants. Maybe I'll get to plant them, maybe I won't, it depends if the rain holds off. But if not, we will plant them later on, so this video will show you the plants going in. But first I need to clean out the pots where the plants are going to go in, because they've been taken over by some weeds and some other things. Let me get that started right now. First set of pots at my door just had some various weeds in there. Those need to come out. So while we're unboxing these, I will tell you what I got. And I'll do them in different orders, and I will actually even show you a picture of what the plant should look like. The first one we're going to talk about is the Diamond Frost Euphorbia. It is a euphorbia. It is a hybrid, so that is a really cool thing. It can trail up to 18 inches. It can get up to 12 to 18 inches tall. I only bought enough for a few spots. You're supposed to space them out about 10 to 12 inches, and it'll spread about 12 to 18 inches. Of course, it's white, it's a flower, and it does really, really well. It needs part to full sun. It is very nice to grow. In our area, it is just a annual because it grows from zone 10A to 11B. Average water, but it's really nice to use. Next, we had the mini Vista yellow. These are a yellow hybrid Petunia. They are pretty vigorous. They grow really nice, and it's very nice to see. I really like these because of the characteristics it has. It grows 6 to 12 inches tall. It trails up to 24 inches, and it can spread 18 to 24 inches, but we are keeping ours in containers. So they are a yellow, citrus yellow. Once again, it is an annual in my spot, and it's really nice. Then we have the Supertunia Bubblegum. This thing is crazy. I forgot to also mention that there's a mini Supertunia, mini Tunia, white, but the Supertunia Bubblegum will just go nuts. This thing is wild. It grows 12 to 24 inches high, trails up to 36 inches. It can spread like 24 to 36 inches. All of these are sun plants. Then, of course, we have our Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Lime Sweet Potato Vine. I like this because it only grows 6 to 16 inches tall. It can trail up to 20 inches, and that's for Mom's area. I really wanted the trailing, so that way she has her flowers trailing everywhere. It is, of course, an annual in our area, and of course, it wants full sun. Then we get to my area, where I got the Amazel Basil. There are so much I love about this plant. One of the things is, once it flowers, the basil doesn't lose its taste. It can grow 20 to 36 inches high. I have mine, and you'll see when I plant them. It is just wonderful. The neat part about this is it won't go to seed. It does not contain seeds, so the leaves are completely harvestable. That is a nice thing. Then we have our tempting tomatoes, garden gems. These are all proven winners plants, I should say. So they're all proven winners plants. This tomato grows It's just a little like sweet tomato. It grows 30 to 42 inches tall. It is 24 to 30 inch spacing, and it will spread 12 to 20 inches. I've seen these things go pretty big. It, of course, is an annual. It takes a lot of sun and a decent amount of water. Next thing that I wanted was the sage. I have the Proven Selections garden sage, which of course is a salvia. It grows 18 to 24 inches tall. It is an annual. It does best in the full sun, and it produces edible foliage. I love all of these plants. They are so wonderful, and this makes me very happy, but now we need to plant them. So when planting, I use Biotone starter fertilizer to put into the holes. Now the one thing to remember is the fact that you don't want the Biotone to necessarily be all clumped around there by the roots. So it was pretty simple. Just put the Biotone in the hole and then sort of mix it up with your planting medium. Now I also in this have I'm going to put some topsoil on it, or some compost on it that I've been making with my electric composter. But other than that, this becomes pretty straightforward. So let's speed this along and get all the plants planted. Alright, so all the plants are planted. Let's take a look at what we got. I think it looks pretty good. So yes, plants look good. I'm very happy. I will keep you updated on how they're going, how they're growing, but I think everything looks really well. Hopefully it's not going to get really cold. It did get down into the upper 30s the other day, so that's something to think about here in June. Yeah, that's its own thing. But yeah, at this time I'd like to thank these wonderful people who let me go on these full flights of These Are Plants. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to become part of the Patreon family, or if you made it this far, just give this video a like and share this video with your friends. It lets YouTube algorithms know that this is a video that other people should see. And also, if you become part of the Patreon family, you get this video early, and you get also a behind-the-scenes weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope we get to see you again the next time you stop by. And let me know what you're planting.